Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at that party package that we're going to use to make Telegram API calls. So let's open up our browser and we are going to Google Python Telegram bot. The first result here, it's what we want, Python Telegram bot. It takes us to GitHub project. And here we have made you a wrapper that you can reviews, which is true. So here we get a brief description of the project, which is kind of nice. So let's begin using this amazing tool. So I'm going to come here at the desktop, create a folder, and I'll name it project. Then I'm going to open a terminal and cd and change directory into this project folder. So I'll cd, drag and drop. And the first thing I want to do is to create a virtual environment. So I'll do virtual env, the name of virtual environment, I'll call it env. This will create an isolated environment for this specific project. Then we need to activate the environment. Source env being activate. Now we have this env into kind of bracket to show that the environment is activated. The next thing is to install this package. Down here at the installing section, we'll copy this pip install Telegram bot, which is gonna install this package for us. So I'm going to paste, and it's installed. So let's open the Python shell and import Telegram, which is the package. So the first thing is to create an instance of the bot, and to do that we do bot, assign it to telegram dot bot, and we will pass here a token which will be used to instantiate the bot, and the token, it's our bot token. So I'm going to copy that here, copy, come here, paste. Now we have our bot instance. So to invoke the method, all we need to do is print, I'll say bot. If I want to get information about this bot, I'll call a function of bot get underscore me. Notice the naming convention, it's a method name, but here we're using the bot instance. So I hit enter and we see the information about this bot. Let's print all the messages for the bot. So here we're going to use get updates, remember from the previous videos. So it will be for msg in bot dot get updates. This will return a list of objects, of message object. So message, so we need to access the message property, message, and from the message we need to the text. Let's say need to print, and there we get all the messages sent to the bot. And you can see it's pretty easy to work with this package. From now henceforth we'll basically use this app. It has a lot than just whatever we have done. In the next session we are going to set up an IDE because up to now we have been using Python shell, which is good to experiment things, but obviously it's more convenience to use IDE. See you in the next tutorial.